A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And salam sejahtera. Masya Allah, tabarakallah. Alhamdulillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Okay, in this video, we are going to discuss about integrals of ax plus b to the power of n, where n is not equal to -1. So, when we integrate in the bracket ax plus b raised to the power of n with respect to x, it is equal to, so in the bracket we put the function ax plus b and the power we add 1, so it's become raised to the power of n plus 1, and this new power we put it in the denominator, and at the same time we differentiate the function ax plus b with respect to x, giving us the value of a, where this value of a we multiply it with n plus 1 with our new power just now, and then don't forget to put plus c since this involving indefinite integral, where n is not equal to -1. Why? When n is equal to -1, therefore the expression n plus 1 will equal to 0. When this value is equal to 0, so the result on the right hand side become undefined. And ax plus b is a linear function. Then we can apply this rule such that a is not equal to 0. Why? When a is equal to 0, then this is not linear function anymore. So now let me take a look at example 1. Given integrate x to the power of 7 with respect to x, giving us the, so by follow the rule just now we discussed just now, so we put the function x in the bracket and the power we add 1, so it's become 7 plus 1, so it's equal to 8. So this value of 8 we put in the denominator, then we differentiate the function of x with respect to x, giving us the value of 1. Then the value of 1 we multiply with 8, therefore we simplify the denominator, is become x to the power of 8. 8 multiplied 1 is equal to 8, therefore the integration of x to the power of 7 d with respect to x is equal to x to the power of 8 with respect x to the power of 8 to 8 plus c. We integrate 4x. When we integrate the function of 4x in the bracket, 4x plus 5 raised to the power of 3 with respect to x, it is equal to, so we put the function 4x plus 5 in the bracket and the power we add 1, so we put the new power on the denominator, then we differentiate 4x plus 5 with respect to x, so this giving us the value of 4. Then we multiply it with the 3 plus 1, so in the bracket 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, multiply with 4, so it is equal to 16. We simplify the power, 3 plus 1 is become 4, then we put plus c. Next example, we integrate 3 in the bracket 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 5 with respect to x, is equal to, so we remain the number 3 outside the bracket, we put the function 3x plus 5 in the bracket, and then the power is plus 1, so it is equal to 5 plus 1, so it is equal to 6, and this new power we put it on the denominator, then we differentiate the function of 3x plus 5 with respect to x, giving us the value of 3. Then this 3 we multiply it with 6. So since we have a common number on the numerator and denominator, so we can simplify this value dividing them with 3. So therefore, the integration of 3 multiplied with 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 5 with respect to x is equal to 3x plus 5 in the bracket raised to the power of 6 to 6 plus c. And then example 4, integrations of 2 third 3 minus 4x with respect to x. It is equal to so we convert the third form into the form of 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 1 over 2. So therefore, 3 remain outside the bracket. We put the function 3 minus 4x in the bracket. So the power is plus 1. So it gives us the value of 3 over 2. And this value we put on the bracket. And then we we put it on the denominator. Then we differentiate the function of 3 minus 4x with respect to x, giving us the value of negative 4. Then we simplify by dividing negative 4 with 2, giving us the value of negative 2. And the value of 2 on the denominator divided by 2, giving us the value of 1. And again, one more step. We divided number 2 with 2 is equal to 1. Then negative 2 divided by 2, we have negative 1. So now the value on the denominator remain as 3 multiplied 1 multiplied with negative 1, giving us the value of negative 3. Therefore, this integration is equal to negative 3 minus 4x in the bracket raised to the power of 3 to 2 to third plus c. So next example number 5. Integrate 5 to, in the bracket, 3 minus 25x raised to the power of 6 with respect to x is equal to, we convert it in the form of 5 in the bracket, 3 minus 25x raised to the power of negative 6 with respect to x. So 5 we put outside, remain putting it outside the brackets. Then the function in the bracket is 3 minus 25x, where the power we add 1, giving us the value of negative 5. And then we put this value in the denominator. Then we differentiate the function of 3 minus 25x with respect to x. So it is equal to negative 25. So by simplifying this function, so 5 divided with 5 is equal to 1. Negative 5 divided by 5 is also it is equal to negative 1. So therefore, the denominator is negative 1 multiplied with negative 25. So it gives us the positive value of 25. So the result is 3 minus 25x in the bracket raised to the power of negative 5 to 25. So then we simplify it in the form of 1 to 25 multiplied with 3 minus 25x raised to the power of 5 plus c. Example 6. Integration of 4 to 5 in the bracket 2x minus 7 raised to the power of 3 over 5 dx. Therefore, so we have integration of 4 to 5. We multiply with the function of 2x minus 7 raised to the power of negative 3 to 5. So 4 to 5 remain outside the bracket. The function in the bracket is 2x minus 7 and the power is 81. So we have negative 3 to 5 plus 1. So we have it is equal to 2 to 5. And then We multiply this new power with number 5 on the denominator. Then we differentiate 2x minus 7 with respect to x, giving us the value of 2. Then we simplify the function by dividing 2 with 2, giving us the value of 1. 4 divided by 2, giving us the value of positive 2. And again, we divided 2 with 2, we have 1. Divided 2 with 2, we have 1. After that, we divided 5 with 5, giving us the value of 1. 5 with 5 equal to 1. So therefore, the value on the denominator is 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. It is equal to 1. Therefore, the result is 2x minus 7 raised to the power of 2 to 5 plus C. Masya Allah, tabarakallah, alhamdulillah, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad.